Are you interested in obtaining a Temu coupon code for free? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Make sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss any crucial details. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To begin, open your Temu account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the homepage and click on the View button. If you don't have an account yet, scroll down and click on Settings, then select Sign in/Register to create one. After creating your account, go to Country and Region and set it to the United States. Next, click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Here, Temu offers various rewards and offers for free, including referral programs. Click on the Cash Reward option to see the rewards available. One of the offers is a $20 PayPal cash reward and an $80 coupon for Temu. These rewards can be obtained for free by inviting referrals using your unique link or code. Click on Invite to get tokens to copy your link or code and share it with others. When someone uses your link or code, you'll earn tokens that can be used to spin the wheel for additional rewards. Once you reach $100, you can cash out your $80 Temu coupon code and $20 cash to your PayPal account.